What a shock. This must be the most profitable project in the world. It's known as the money printing machine, generating a whopping 40 billion yuan annually. It's not just China's top-tier hydraulic project, but also a marvel in global hydraulic history. It is the gigantic monster constructed by China over 12 years, the Three Gorges Dam. The total construction cost reaches 200 billion RMB. Using a gravity dam structure, it consumed 26.89 million tons of concrete and 290,000 tons of steel. Its scale and cost are staggering. It generates an annual electricity output of 100 billion kilowatt hours. Not only does it effectively prevent floods, but it also provides crucial water resources for agriculture. Its impact is immeasurable, making it a cornerstone of the nation. American experts daydream about destroying China by targeting the Three Gorges Dam. If the Three Gorges Dam were destroyed, 39.5 billion cubic meters of water would rush out instantly. However, the dam's defense system is impregnable. Inflicting substantial damage would require simultaneously dropping over 60 nuclear bombs and hitting accurately. The Three Gorges Dam is not only the world's largest concrete gravity dam, but also the largest hydroelectric power station. Have you ever witnessed such a miraculous engineering feat?